A very good morning to one and all. My name is Soma Dinesh and I am from VV80 CSC branch. And today we are going to discuss about types of computers. Let us dive into the video. First of all, let us see what are the types of computers. They are supercomputer, mainframe computer, which are also known as enterprise systems, and mini computers, workstation computers, and PCs. We know personal computers, or they also known as microcomputers. Now let us discuss in detail about each and every types of computers. First of all, let us see supercomputers. They are the biggest and fastest computers in terms of speed and processing data. Supercomputers are designed such that they can process a huge amount of data, like processing trillions of instructions data in just in a second. Thousands of processors are interconnected in supercomputers. It is basically used in scientific and engineering applications such as weather forecasting, scientific simulations, and nuclear energy research, and also in rocket launching, etc. etc. It was first developed by Roger Cray in 1976. They are very expensive. It can calculate up to 10 trillion individual calculations per second. This is the reason which makes it more even faster. It is used in stock market or big organizations for managing the online currency world such as Bitcoin, etc. It is used in scientific research areas for analyzing data obtained from exploring the solar systems, satellites, etc. etc. Finally, we can conclude that supercomputers are very costly as well as they are very faster and very affordable, like very effective ones. Now let us discuss about the mainframe computers. This is also known as enterprise systems. The mainframe computers are designed in such a way that it can support hundreds or thousands of users at the same time. It also supports multiple programs simultaneously, so they can execute different processes simultaneously. All these features make the mainframe computers ideal for big organizations like banking, telecom sectors, etc., which process high volume of data in general, like business data processing, etc. It is also very expensive. It has high storage capacity and great performance. It can run huge amount of data, like like for example, banking sector very quickly. Like we can access huge amount of data very quickly. It runs smoothly for long time and has long life. Like these type of mainframe computers can be used in service sectors. Now let us discuss about the mini computers. Mini computers is a medium-sized multi-processing computer. There are two or more processors and it supports 4 to 200 users at one time. Mini computers are used in places like institutions or departments for different work like billing, accounting, inventory, management, etc. Like for example, if you take a college, there will be computers for like server management and for administration and for collecting the fees, etc. for the systems in library, etc. etc. It is smaller than the mainframe computer but larger than the microcomputer. Its weight is low. Because of its low weight, it can be carried anywhere. It is less expensive than the mainframe computers and it is also fast. And now let us discuss about the workstation computers. Workstation is designed for engineering applications. It consists of a fast mini microprocessor with large amount of RAM, high input-output capability, and high-speed graphic adapter. Like we know in engineering, we need a lot of graphic work to do. Like we should visualize the things that should be constructed and that should be made. So here the graphic adapter is needed. It is a single-user computer. It is generally used for performing a specific task with greater accuracy. It is expensive or high in cost. They are exclusively made for complex work purposes. Provides large storage capacity with better graphics and more powerful CPU when compared to the PC. It is also used to handle animation, data analysis, CAD, audio and video creation, and editing. This helps the engineer to create and visualize and imagine more the things to be created more easily and more effectively. Now let us dive into the personal computers. The personal computers are also known as the microcomputers, like which we use daily. A laptop or a desktop is known as a personal computer. Like it is basically a general purpose computer designed for an individual use. Like one person will use one personal computer. No? It consists of a microprocessor as is a central processing unit, memory, input unit, and output unit. This kind of computer is suitable for personal work such as making an assignment, watching a movie, or a topic for office work, etc. For example, laptops, desktops, computers, as I said. It is limited number of software can be used. Like we can use a specific limited number of softwares. It is the smallest and it is designed for the personal use, like one person can use for his own uses, and it is very easy to use. Like these are the types of uh, different types of computers that the man have seen. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.